Hi guys, welcome back with the last puzzle. Last puzzle, not in today's newspaper, but in the newspaper of last Tuesday, September the 14th, and today's actually Friday, September the 17th. But I've told you earlier, we have no extra Sudokus in today's newspaper, so I will continue with the rest of the puzzles of the Tuesday edition. Alright, so let's get started. And this tectonic will be number 3409. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 19. 19 printed digits. And for 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright. So let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always the 1. And we see here the single box, always a 1. Dual boxes. Do I see here dual boxes? I cannot see any dual boxes. Triple boxes then. Can we see here triple box? I see here the triple box. The 3 is already filled in, so those 2 boxes are the 1 and the 2. But I cannot fill this yet. I need to mark them. And if you see a triple box, the inside box, this is the inside box, is always the 4 or the 5. Here another triple box. It contains the 1, 2, and a 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for 3 should be there. The 1 and the 2 are left. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. No 1 goes there. And remember, with the triple box, the inside box, always 4 or a 5. Look, this is a 5. 4 or a 5. We have a 4 there, so it cannot be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Alright. Triple box. Then do we have quadra boxes? I see here the quadra box. The 3 and the 4 are already filled in, so 2 numbers left. The 1 or the 2 could be there. Then the following stage or strategy is to recognize some shapes. For example, the T shape, upside down here, the T shape. Let me draw this, the T shape. Remember that this box, the T shape or T figure, construction or structure, whatever you name it, this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 3. Okay. T-shape. Do we have more T-shapes? No. The L shape. Here we have an L shape. Upside down again. Okay. Remember, if you see an L shape, this box has always the same number as that box. This box has always the same number as that box. Okay, more L shape in this puzzle. Yeah, here. Rotated. So this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Alright. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape. This kind of shape, yeah. Okay. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. This box is the same number as that box. More of this kind of shape. Let me see. No. Okay. Okay, then we have one shape left, I believe. This shape. Let me draw this here. Not good. Well, this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. It's a mess here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 figures, shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. There are more, but not in this puzzle. For this puzzle, you need to recognize those 4. Then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get starting filling the number. I missed one. This is the same as that one. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Overlooked. Alright, now the following step is let's get starting filling the numbers. We have a 2 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 1 and a 2. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1. Okay. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be a 2. The 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. Alright. 2 and a 3. Okay. 2 numbers left in this T connection or T shape. For the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Let me mark those. 1 and 5. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. Those 2 boxes can be a 4. We have a double 4 here. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, we have another 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those. 1 and 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be a 1 or a 5. Alright. One and a 5. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Alright. This box is also connected. So it should be a 1 or a 5. Interesting. This box is also connected with that box. Should be also 1 or a 5. Okay. Alright. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 4. We have a double 4 here, so this box can also not be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. This box cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I fill a 3 here, I cannot place any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. Alright. This box cannot be a 3, that box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Let me see. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 3. Those two boxes cannot be 3. This box cannot be a 3. So one box left for the 3 in this W area should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 5. Okay. In this W area. That means... let me see. The 2 is missing here. Okay. One box left in this area for number 4. Okay. Alright. Let me think. 1 and a 5. 1. This area. Those two boxes cannot be a 1. But also this box cannot be a 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Together with the 3, we have a pair. Alright. That means those two boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 1 and 5. Okay, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5 and this box should be a 1. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4. Now we have a 5 here. This box cannot be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. I've marked those. I've marked this box with the 4 or 5. So this should be the inside box, the 4. And I think this box should be a 1 because it can be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 and the 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 here. We have a double 5 there, 1 and a 5. So this box should be a 3 and that box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5 and this box should be a 1. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 5 and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. And this box is also connected with that box, should be also a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this W area for the number 1. 1 box left in this area for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 3. Then now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can it be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Should be a 5. Alright, 2 and a 4 are left. Let me mark those. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. 2 boxes left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 2 and 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 1. Let me mark those, 2 and 1. Well, I cannot place the 2 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 4, and that box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. And the final 2 numbers in this L shape for the numbers 2 and 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow! 1 minute slower than I've predicted. Anyway, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow on Saturday. Yes, it's weekend. Until then, bye bye for now.